Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast 30. Today, we're talking about something that everyone experiences: stress at the workplace. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to English Podcast 30 for more real-life English conversations. Yes, whether you work in an office, a store, or even from home, stress happens to everyone. But today, we'll not only talk about it, we'll also show how to talk about stress in English and give you real examples and phrases you can use at work. Let's start with some useful expressions. When you're feeling busy or tired at work, instead of saying just, "I'm tired," you can say, "I've got a lot on my plate today. I'm a bit overwhelmed. Work has been crazy lately." Yes, and another one is, "I'm juggling a few projects right now." That means you're handling many things at the same time. Oh, that's a good one. Sometimes when I feel like the tasks never end, I say, "There's so much going on today." And if you want to sound more positive, you can say, "It's a busy day, but I'm managing." That shows confidence. You're busy, but still in control. When stress starts to build up, I like to take a short break. I usually go to the pantry, grab a cup of tea, and stretch a little. Oh, yes, I sometimes just walk around the office for 5 minutes. Even a short walk helps me relax my mind. That's true. And here's a tip for English learners. If you need a break, you can politely say to your coworker or manager, "I'll take a short break to recharge," or "I just need a minute to clear my head." Exactly. It's a polite way to express that you're taking care of yourself. And when you come back, you can say, "All right, I'm back and ready to go." Sometimes it helps just to talk. When you're stressed, you can share how you feel in a natural way. Yes. For example, if you and your coworker are both busy, you can say, "Wow, it's been a long day, hasn't it?" Or, "I can't believe how much work we have this week." Exactly. It shows connection. And sometimes you can make it lighter by joking, "I think I need an extra weekend." Or, "Can we get a nap room in this office?" Yes, a little humor helps everyone feel better. Also, if you notice someone else looking stressed, you can say, "You're doing great, don't worry." Or, "Let me know if I can help you with anything." That's so kind. Simple words, but they make a big difference in the workplace. One of the best ways to handle stress is to stay organized. I always make a to-do list every morning. Same here. I write down 3 main goals for the day. If I finish those 3 goals, I feel successful. That's a great strategy. For example, I write reply to client emails, finish report for manager, prepare slides for tomorrow's meeting. Yes, and when you finish one, you can say, "That's one down, 2 to go." It's a fun way to keep motivated. I love that. And when I complete everything, I say, "Finally, all done for today." Yes, that's the best feeling. Let's do a quick shadowing activity for our listeners. Repeat after us. "I've got a lot on my plate today." "I just need a short break to clear my head." Let's take it one step at a time. "Wow, it's been a long day, hasn't it?" "Finally, all done for today." Good job, everyone! Practicing these sentences helps you sound more natural at work. Another way to manage stress is to stay positive. For example, when something goes wrong, instead of saying, "This is terrible," try saying, "Let's see how we can fix this." Yes, that kind of attitude really changes the energy in the office. You can also say, "It's okay, we'll figure it out." And when you're tired, remind yourself, "I've handled busy days before, I can do it again." Exactly. Positive self-talk helps a lot. When stress gets too much, teamwork really helps. For example, if I'm behind schedule, I'll ask my coworker, "Can you help me with this report?" That's a good habit. And when someone helps you, always say, "Thanks, I really appreciate your help." Yes, it builds trust and good relationships at work. And teamwork also reduces stress because you're not facing everything alone. Let's not forget, how you end your day also matters. What do you do after work to relax? I usually listen to calm music on my way home or watch a short YouTube video before bed. Nice! I like cooking dinner or walking in the park. It helps me clear my mind after a busy day. So, for English learners, here are a few natural sentences. I unwind by watching TV. I relax by going for a walk. I like to chill with a cup of tea after work. Those are perfect examples to describe how you release stress in English. So, today we talked about how to handle stress at the workplace, from taking breaks, using polite phrases, staying positive, to practicing teamwork. Yes, remember, everyone feels stress, but the way you handle it makes a difference. Stay calm, stay kind, and stay motivated. And practice using these real English phrases every day. They'll make your English more natural and confident. Thank you for listening to English Podcast 30. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real English conversation practice. And share this episode with your coworkers or friends who want to improve their English. See you next time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.